Welcome everyone to a new video. Today's topic is going to be pretty interesting. We are back in Oath of Office Roblox, and I'm going to try and make a rise as Carl Wheezer. Okay, so let's go to Justice Rally.
Mr. Washington, you're horrifying to look at.
Hello everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm so happy for
We
you.
need more respect
no.
in this place. If I may, please ask for some more respect.
Oh come on, I just joined.
Yeah, come on.
What happened?
How did we lose?
Yeah,
It's okay, everyone. It
that's
is
alright.
okay.
We're gonna come back and we're gonna make America great again.
Sorry. I
Okay,
gotta
the
do like a
people have
kitchen.
Yeah,
chosen.
guys, it's okay. You guys really want to
I cannot believe we lost this.
The people
What
have
will
chosen.
Jimmy's mom say?
You guys just want more tags.
What the?
How did we lose this election?
I had my phone open. Don't blame it on me.
Ew, who's that guy? Guys, we should shoot that guy right now.
I agree.
You're British. Shut up.
Alright, listen guys, we need to focus on America.
Yo, guys,
Okay, so both
well
of you
said.
guys want to
Listen.
focus on America.
Guys,
Guys, we
Yo,
need to
everyone, let's
I
like,
haven't done a
play-
Carl Wheezer
Yo, do
impression
y'all
in
know the
forever.
Hotline Bling music video? What if it
Oh,
was like
no.
me instead of Drake in that? That'd be crazy.
that would be crazy.
No,
I know in the Hotline
Bling.
we're
need to
geeked.
lower
We're geeked right now. We have to be
taxes.
locked in.
Taxes
We need America.
Yo, what if
We
us,
need to
all of us
make America
Vexbolts
better
fans? What
for
if all the
Jimmy's
Vexbolts
mom.
fans called ourselves the
Vexbolts mad, free
Vexians? That'd
following.
be so cool.
Lucky King, he left Santa Cruz. Ellie,
Aiden
Okay,
Walker,
he
you're...
just got VC banned. He just got VC banned.
Thank God he's VC banned. I hate him.
Yeah, vote me as PPT.
No, girl. I'm gonna
Absolutely
vote
not.
Well,
Never in a
dang.
million
Wait, I'm getting
years.
teleported to Zetterland News.
for president. Tell them Carl Wheezer says hi.
Yo, where's Carl Wheezer at? Where's Carl
Me.
Wheezer at?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Do you like
Okay,
that?
I hate you.
Oh, come on, man. Oh my god.
God, if you don't vote Michael's song for P.P.S,
Carl, I
Michael's
broke up
song
with
will come
her.
to your house and we'll
She's
find you.
dating you. She wants to date you,
What
Carl.
would Jimmy's mom say? What a disgrace.
Carl, Jimmy's mom says she wants to date you.
Yippee!
bro, what is
Guys,
this
all
thing?
these Americans in this game make me
Bro,
How do you get there?
Oh, this is
Wait,
the
what
best
is your
video idea
accent,
I've come
Ethan?
up with.
What is your accent?
My accent
Let's
is Southern
go!
Florida.
Oh,
Jimmy's
someone
mom!
said someone was
Jimmy's mom!
complaining about
Jimmy's
Americans.
What is
Who
this
was
sending
complaining
even
about
about, bro?
Americans?
Are we dead ass?
Yo, I'm gonna report this Aiden Walker
When
kid.
you
He's
get
so
the option to
annoying.
vote for PPT, it's like a vote to kick out of the Senate. You have to vote Michael Song.
I'm voting Michael Song.
Yeah, because I don't want to be in the Senate, so please
vote for
please
Carl
kick me
Wheezer,
out.
bro.
So vote
No,
Michael
thank
Song.
you.
Matthew,
Yeah, actually not.
Much
Matthew Allen is
appreciated.
lucky
I
like
have very good experience
We need,
in
like,
politics.
a senator that isn't like broke and is like actually like
Alright, everybody, listen up.
we're not listening to you.
I support Matthew
Yay,
Allen.
it didn't get tagged.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dalton.
Okay,
I can't
Mr. Dalton,
even.
well, you don't even
That-
have to game.
well,
Hello,
Carl.
Mr. Eisenhower.
Do you have a sister by chance?
I beg your pardon. I beg your
Yes,
pardon.
sir.
Pardon?
Do you have a
Yes,
sister, Carl?
sir.
Let's go.
I do
Let's
not.
go, dude.
Lol, bro.
Okay, I was just asking to see if I could date her.
Oh my god, she's...
Yo, this Senate
What?
is horrible, dude. I'm going to Secretary of Defense, bro.
Alright, have fun.
I'm going to Secretary of Defense, bro.
Dang
Wow,
it.
that was so funny
They got my
impersonating that
job.
voice. Bro, you realize how everyone else
Dude, nerd voice. You sound, bro. You sound like Squidward.
Oh my god, everyone's laughing. It's so funny.
Wow.
Like
Aiden
you
Walker,
you have
I
everyone
am
in the
bro-
room.
you're literally
It's
beeping at me,
hysterically
Mr.
laughing.
Walker.
Everyone
You're
is
beeping.
hysterically
You are an
laughing.
AI chatbot, Aiden.
That
You're
you
not
know,
a real
you're so
person.
funny.
Yo, AI is
I
getting
don't,
so
I don't believe
advanced,
he's
bro.
real.
Anymore.
You're
Time for lunch.
Michael, Mr. Hayes.
Oh my.
This is
Yeah.
the
Can
best
we
thing
find
I
the
could
other
ever
Mr.
come up
Hayes?
with. I swear to God.
Isaac Hayes is right.
I will make America better. That's a fact. I need to change my suit.
This way.
No, 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 no. Ooh, yes. Let's make America better for Jimmy's mom.
Hey, excuse me. We're trying to have a chat in here. Private
Okay,
chat.
I'll
we need a
leave.
private
Do you mind if we have a
conversation.
private chat in here? Do you mind if we just have a
Okay,
private chat? Excuse me.
I know
Okay,
literally.
Mr.
I don't know
Hayes, I need to ask you.
I might become a newscaster later on. It'll ruin my chances for president.
You had the fine coffee.
How I do it?
Hello, Mr. Park.
What is up, Mr. Harris? How are you doing? How is the children's education?
We locked in. That much of a win. It just pops
Wow. All right.
Mr. President, I don't think you should be associated with the entire
Mr. President, thank you very much, whoever gave me
CNN.
Pretty much it. Like, I don't have anything else.
No good.
Wow.
Guys, yo, Harrison, how do you get coffee? Mr. President, I hit the third tower.
Who the hell is Sebastian Gray?
But we need to talk with the military officials and Secret Service.
I know where. Now, how long for
Mr.
that?
President, they hit the Empire State Building, Mr. President.
Yo, can we change the music, please?
We need to win America back for Jimmy's mom.
Hello.
They hit the third.
We need to make America great again for Jimmy's mom.
It's not very.
Mr. Jones,
Mrs. Nora.
What would you like, Master Roosevelt?
do you mind sending this message onto the news?
About me for a PPT, and I'll vote you.
Tell them that this is from Carl Wheezer, okay? We need to make America better for Jimmy's mom.
That's a very bad impression.
I will put that out immediately.
Well, too bad. I'm
Bad
gonna keep doing it.
impressionist.
Bro, I'm
Michael Fox
so...
kick out of the
Yo, no, Matthew Allen.
Let's
Matthew
win
Allen.
this
Matthew Allen, everybody.
position for
Matthew
Yo,
Jimmy's
if you go
mom.
Matthew Allen, I'm getting added to PUBG Mobile.
Nora.
Look, McCoy. No,
Well,
we got-
dang.
Everybody,
Matthew Allen. Matthew Allen. Matthew Allen.
What
Vote
the flip there?
Allen. Allen.
Matthew, I'd like your
Matthew
support.
Allen. Matthew Allen.
I would like your support.
I'm
for
voting
Oh my
you,
God,
dude.
I'm him.
Look,
Yes,
I'm
James
voting.
Dalton. Yep.
James Dalton, Senate leader.
No, do not vote James Dalton. Vote yourselves.
Nobody listens to you, Michael.
No, bro,
You
you're
should shut up.
literally. No one listens to you.
Okay, well, guess what? You sound like a.
Thank you, my fellow
one of
Americans.
these things.
All right, don't start with the "you sound like," because you are not winning that argument.
I-
I'm just gonna.
well,
say
guess
that.
For
what?
real,
You're
for
really
real,
wrong.
on
How y'all
God.
doing?
Okay, guys, can
Okay.
we vote
Yes.
accordingly?
No.
Let's
Hmm.
vote to make America great again,
Oh,
please.
so Mr. Allen wants to.
Yo,
make the
can you
Senate
stop
go
We
around.
saying
need to
that,
make
like,
America
dumb-
better for Jimmy's
You're- no.
mom.
Oh my lord.
What, dude?
You just keep repeating the same garbage, and we've had enough of you.
All
Is that
right,
because
what is
she's a
your
woman?
plan? What
Is
is your
that
plan?
because she's a woman?
It's not because she's a
Oh,
woman.
Matthew
I'm
Allen
actually
hates
a
women
feminist
now. Matthew
myself.
Allen hates
I'm a
women.
feminist, and I believe I think
Right.
that she is actually bootlicking for the patriarchy right now.
So
And it's
Matthew
very
Allen
sad.
hates
Oh,
women.
can you
Matthew
shut
Allen
up,
It's
hates
China?
very sad to see.
Shut up,
All
woman.
we're trying to do for the Senate is
We
make
need to
sure
split
that
the
we,
Senate.
as a group, vote to have our statistics.
Hello.
Carl Wheezer, take a seat, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm
honored to
have
you here. No problem, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sebastian Eisenhower here at EBC News. I have the best guest ever. Not even he's better than the president. It's Carl Wheezer.
Hello,
introduce yourself, Carl.
everybody. I'm Carl Wheezer.
What do you plan to do for the government?
My entire goal is to just make America better for Jimmy's mom.
That is very, very wise. You know, no, welcome back, everybody. You know I used to date Jimmy's mom, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Well, too bad she's mine now.
Yeah. Low key, I spent like $100,000 on her.
Man.
Women are expensive.
For real, on God.
I wish it was back in the old days where they had to pay, not me. Alright, that's all the time we have. Bye, Carl.
Bye. Remember, make America better for Jimmy's mom.
Hashtag.
Okay, good. I hope my house burns down too.
Bro, who? Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I
So,
had
like-
to go to EBC.
Yo, can the kid doing the dumb, Carl Wheezer impression please be quiet?
Okay.
No, Matthew Roosevelt, you can talk. You are not silenced in this court.
Carl Wheezer, I see you.
Hi
Who
there.
is Carl Wheezer?
You're so goofy.
Hi. Okay, I'm muting up.
This is the best idea I've come up with.
I guess that's the end.
Alright, y'all are adjourned. Thank you for your cooperation.
No problem, sir.
I'm sorry for using big words.
Mr. Senate, Mr. Senate, I need y'all to vote somebody
Okay.
out of all.
Okay, so I just found a reason to get away from the caucus meeting. I just said I'm gonna be at the shopping center looking for Jimmy's mom. So, yeah, be aware.
Jimmy's mom, where are you? Jimmy's mom. She might be in here. Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom, where are you? I'll check out the press briefing. Is Jimmy's
Oh,
mom
you getting on an
here?
interview, Matthew?
Yeah, sure am.
No, Rafa.
I'll have you on during push hour. Mr. Gonzalez,
Okay.
is Jimmy's mom here?
You said what?
Is Jimmy's mom
I
here?
have to interview Mr. Gonzalez.
Wait, Mr. Torres, what?
No idea.
I need an interview, please.
He's singing the Fortnite Battle Fest song.
Yes, please.
Okay. Where is the president?
Or impeached by the House.
Mr. President?
Carl Wheezer, you get a coffee.
Hello.
Oh wow. Hey.
It's decaf
Thank
coffee,
you.
okay?
Good, that's
Okay.
really helpful for the.
I added special Jimmy's mom creamer.
Yeah!
How do we go to the place?
It'll make it taste like Jimmy's mom.
What
Let's go!
Yeah,
That is
Treasury
true, I
building.
do speak
If
for the
you,
president
click on
in
the
his
Oh, and by the
honor.
way, Jimmy died.
and then go
Then, if you speak for the president, why not? Why don't you just become the president?
Oh, wait.
Come on.
He came back to life.
Yay!
That was just one of his 52 clones.
I don't think I'll be able to do as good of a job.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna have to. Sorry.
Hey, do you want a croissant?
Sure.
Yeah, if he doesn't,
You got croissants too?
if he doesn't leave, we'll have to impeach him, and it's all
Yeah.
gonna be your fault. Someone
Coffee
put in the
flavored
bill.
croissant.
Ethan put in the bill.
Oh, thank
Flavored
you.
coffee
Thank you.
croissant.
Ethan put in
Thank
the bill.
you.
The impeachment
I'm going
bill.
to the luncheon.
I can't right now.
No, leave me alone. Oh my god, my user's
Yo,
here.
that's crazy. Someone clip that.
Beautiful music, honestly.
Coffee for America! Coffee for America!
Yo, clip that.
Hey, you're a part of America, you get that. Tell us. Are you my long lost
Minors were
sister?
allowed in luncheons.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? How's it going, y'all?
Excuse me, Mr. Williams.
I haven't seen you since. I haven't seen you. Where have you been?
Because he's VC banned. That's why we're trying to impeach him.
Hey, we need you, Mr. Gray, now. Well, Dad took me to North Carolina. I needed to talk
Where
to you,
is
babe.
Jimmy's mom?
I don't know. I have a new stepmom named Stephanie.
Stephanie?
Stephanie.
Yeah, of course, Mr. Harrison. What time do you want to be scheduled for? Private internal affairs. Do you have voice chat?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Oh yeah. Wait, can you also invite me?
So let's. Of course, you're my brother.
Yes.
I can invite you daily if I want.
Yes.
But we have a lot of catching up to do.
Yeah. I actually have 3 children now.
You have 3 children? You're married?
Yeah. Huh?
Jones, I need to speak to you, Jones. Hey, Jones, I need to speak to you.
Yes, Jones.
Where is Jimmy's mom?
No, I'm going away. That's.
Where
oh my
is
God,
she?
help. Someone help.
What?
Help. Someone help.
I saw.
Hey guys, if you don't, if
Yeah, I
if
just
you
got
don't
ambushed,
vote
dude.
and you do not
I
want
saw
to
those
affect
news.
your own
That
polls,
reporter
just
was
click
horrible.
abstain.
You say holding the highest office in the land, and she goes, "Are you saying that the executive branch is too powerful and our constitution needs to be reworked?"
Yeah, like, bro, that's so dumb.
Who is this guy?
Who's this guy? All right, give us some good reasons for why we should make you Secretary of the Treasury.
I mean, his polo looks awful. So.
Senators, PPT
My
over
polls
here. Matthew.
He's not even talking.
Matthew, we're sending over the impeachment bill.
Okay, great. They're sending over impeachment. We will be voting yes.
By the no, don't vote yes, vote abstain so it doesn't affect your polls.
Well, I will be voting yes. We need to.
We sent
He is
over the impeachment.
Do you know what abstain means?
Matthew Allen
Okay.
will vote yes.
Are we
will
gonna get that
sacrifice our polls.
Do you
Yeah,
know
we
what
should-
abstain means?
We should be able to get that today.
Abstain means
Yeah,
yes,
we're
but
really
it doesn't
bad.
affect your polls. Like it keeps.
I'm being
it helps
nominated
you.
for Chief Justice.
No.
No, don't stop that.
All right. Yes. Yes.
We need more people to vote yay than abstain.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
just fucking up.
Don't vote nay. Do not vote nay. Do not
what are
vote
you
nay.
doing?
Vote
You guys are
abstain.
impeaching
What are you
Hey,
doing?
vote
This
nay.
is terrible.
Vote nay.
Vote nay.
Vote
What are you
nay.
doing?
Vote nay.
He's
Vote
in
nay.
Why would you go nay? He's VC banned. He is VC banned. He is VC banned.
My polls
will be half. My polls will be half. I'm not
Impeached. God is good. Got him.
Still here.
Sacrifice my polls for that, bro.
I think that we passed it.
Are garbage.
God is good. Thanks for nothing.
Actually, the representatives still have to pass.
Did it not pass?
Majority? Did we need a super majority? We might have needed a super majority.
Oh. Dude.
So I just voted yes so that it could be the 9.
The Senate.
So these idiots. How dumb are some of these people here? Whoever voted nay, you have a president that cannot
Mr.
talk.
President, do you see what I'm saying? Do you see that what I said? I know you can't. I know you don't have voice chat, but do you?
You guys
remember-
just you guys just elected a literal baby. You elected a
Listen,
child.
All right.
Mr. President. These people.
I'm not risking my polls, okay? I'm not risking my polls.
Yo,
That's when you click abstain. If you
who the
click
heck
abstain,
is
it won't
voting
list your
for
polls.
more tax rates? You see what I'm saying? Like, bro.
And besides, we need a visionary president anyways.
We cannot do this. We can't do this.
Listen, guys. If you guys vote for me, bro, I will literally bring
What's up,
up these
Dalton?
polls. Or statistics or whatever you want to call them.
The waters, he started
Yo,
chatting.
Sebastian, just lead the game, bro. Just like your
Which
VP
made Kai feel
president.
embarrassed and want to run away. As one of the heirs to the Trump
Someone, hold on. Don't vote yay on this. If you're voting yay, switch to abstain.
Abstain it, bro. We shouldn't be voting against taxes. I don't understand. Like, look at the tax rate